Hello grade 11s and welcome to another mathematics lesson under surface area and volume of 3D solids. Right now we're going to be dealing with surface area and volume of cones. Here we go. So the important information that you need to know is that when calculating the volume, V is equal to 1 over 3 pi r squared h, right? Where r is the radius and h is the perpendicular vertical height. Surface area, SA is equal to r, open bracket, r plus hs, close bracket. Or sometimes hs may just be s, right? Where r is the radius and hs is the vertical slant height. It's important to know that in a cone, the radius, the perpendicular vertical height, as well as the slant height, they form a right-angled triangle, right? So the radius squared plus the perpendicular vertical height squared is equal to the slant height squared. Please take that down. I modified it from the Via Africa study guide. So number 1 states, calculate the volume and surface area of the following closed cones. Now since it says closed, we assume that the bases are closed, right? 1.1, we have that cone. Okay. So as we can see, the radius is 9.6 centimeters. The perpendicular vertical height is 230 years, 3 centimeters. Okay, I hope that's clear enough. So we can start with the volume, right? One over 3 pi r squared h. Nine comma 6. Two hundred and 30.3. So it's 1 over 3 pi 22,226 18997 cm cubed. So two decimal places, 22,226 and 19 cm cubed. Okay, I hope that is clear enough. Now we need to calculate the surface area. Please remember the formula. Slanting height squared, radius squared, plus perpendicular vertical height squared. Okay. Radius is 9.6. H is 230.3 squared. And 2.16 cm squared plus 230.3 53038.09 cm squared. So 53130.25 cm squared. So slant height is square root of 53.130.25, and I get 230.5 centimeters, right? So surface area R open bracket R plus HS, that is R 9.6 What is 9,6 plus 230,5? 240,1. So it's 2,304,96 square centimeters. Okay, I hope that is clear enough. So 1.2, we have that cone. Okay, it's closed. So 1,08 meters is the radius. We don't have the perpendicular vertical height, as you can see, and 7,33 meters is the vertical slanting height. So we first need to calculate the perpendicular vertical height. So don't forget r squared plus h squared hs squared. What is r? 1,08 7,33 squared. 1,08 1,666 1,1664 53, 7289. So h squared is 53, 7289 minus 1,1664 so h squared is 52, 5625. H is square root, so square root of the answer 7,25 meters. Okay, I hope that is clear enough. So we have the radius, we have the vertical slanting height, we have the perpendicular vertical height. Let's start with the volume. 1/3 pi r squared h. What is r? 1,08 meters squared. H is 7,25 meters. Eight, 8555 21372 cubic meters or meter cubed. Okay, to two decimal places. 8,86 meter cubed, cubic meters. Okay, I hope that's clear enough. Now we need to calculate the surface area. So surface area is radius plus What is the radius? 1,08 meter. 1,08 meter plus 7,33 meter. 8,41. Nine comma 0828 square meters to 2 decimal places. 9,08 meter squared. Okay, I hope that is clear enough. So 1.3, we don't have the radius but we have the diameter. It's 28 millimeters. So this is D and this is H. Okay, so radius is half the diameter, so the radius is 28 divided by 2, 14 millimeters. Perpendicular vertical height is 122,1 millimeters. We don't have HS. Let's start calculating the volume so long. One over 3 pi r squared h. 1 over 3 pi r is 14 millimeter squared. H is 122,1 millimeters. Two five zero six one. You don't have to write, okay, but let me write it down for completeness sake. 39886 over 5. 39886 pi over 5 cubic millimeter, which when simplified gives 25,061, 11292. Therefore, volume is 25,061 and 11 cubic millimeters cubed. Okay, I hope that is clear enough. Now we need to calculate the vertical slanting height. Okay, h squared is r squared plus h squared. What is r? 14. What is h? 122,1. 196. 14. 908. 41. 15,104.41 millimeter squared. So HS is square root of that, 122.9 millimeters. So surface area, radius plus HS, 14 millimeters, and 122.9 millimeter. And 36.9 millimeter. One thousand 916 6 millimeter squared. Surface area is 1916.60 mm squared. I hope that is clear enough to 2 decimal places, right? So the last one for now is that cone, right? So 18 kilometers is the diameter. We don't have the perpendicular vertical height. 23.4 kilometers is the vertical slanting height. Okay, so first we need radius is 18 divided by 2 is 9 kilometers. Vertical slanting height is 23.4 kilometers. So we need to calculate the perpendicular vertical height, which is h. Okay, 9 squared is 81 plus h squared is 547. Four hundred and 466.56. So h is square root of answer 21.6 kilometers. Okay, we need to calculate 1/3 pi r squared h. R is 9 kilometers squared, h is 21.6 kilometers. 2196 pi over 5 kilometers cubed, 1832, 176, 836 cubic kilometers. To two decimal places, V is 1832.18 kilometer cubed. Okay, I hope that is clear enough. Now we need to calculate the surface area. Radius plus HS, 9 kilometers. Two, 4 kilometers. So it's 291.6 kilometer squared. It's two decimal places. Surface area is 291.60 square kilometers. Okay, I hope that is clear enough. I hope that wasn't too challenging. Okay, if you found my video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again.